I'll get a $5 tip. Come on, buddy. I need a $5 tip, man.
Yeah, anyway.
Heavy snow, man. Like dollar. Like dollar. Thank you. That's my Christmas present. See, my dad gave me $5 for my Christmas present. Praise the Lord.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Going home. I'm finna sit in the tub. I've been doing a lot of work today. I've been up since 6 this morning, huh?
Why?
No, shoveling.
Oh, this morning?
Shoveling snow.
Oh.
Yeah, I had to shovel all the way from 2 buildings all the way to the back.
Ooh.
Yeah.
How about
front.
yesterday?
And front. I had to shovel front, back, all that.
Yesterday?
No,
Today?
today.
How about yesterday? Did you do anything?
I do it yesterday too.
Yesterday too. Yeah, I know that. Because I cannot get out. My car is sinking in the snow.
Yep. Just tired. Go home, take a shower.
Oh my God.
I'm taking me a shower. Take me a shower, buddy.
Yeah, I will shower too. First, I will go.
But I'm gonna stay in the house until my pores, because you gotta stay in the house till your pores dry. You can't just take a shower and come out without your pores closing up. Ooh, crazy guy. Okay, you can let me out right here, sir.
Yeah.
Because I don't want you to get stuck in snow. Okay, buddy. Just call me and let me know when you want me.
Well, yeah.